First, we'll reinstall the keyboard driver. Right-click on the Start button. From the menu, select Device Manager. Expand Keyboards. Right-click on Standard PS/2 keyboard. Click Uninstall Device. Confirm the action. Restart your laptop. This step is very important. After restarting, Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver, and in many cases, the keyboard will start working again. Method 2. Turn off filter keys. Sometimes Windows accessibility settings block certain keys. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Click on Keyboard. Make sure these options are turned off: sticky keys, filter keys, toggle keys. Once disabled, test your keyboard again. Method 3. Update Windows and HP drivers. Outdated drivers can also cause keyboard issues. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Install all available updates. For best results, download and install HP Support Assistant. Let it check for keyboard drivers and BIOS updates. Restart your laptop after updates are complete. If nothing worked, try this power reset. Shut down your laptop completely. Disconnect charger and all USB devices and accessories. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Reconnect the charger. Turn the laptop back on. Now test the keyboard again.